Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UDC ka West Gent Hills District ulapentip Naduh Lashai kasngi on bo no yaki SF10 ha ka district nangta on saya kren bat ka sorkar lingba menteri rangba bat usembut menteri rangba ringkat keyboard district kumjuru ulayat ho balashai kasngi mau bat USP ka West Gent Hills kinsalet ka Jaka rep kinong Lapangap ban pentikna baka jingrep jingriang kan Sdang bat baki Paidbah nong song ka Lapangap kinyo rep suk rep san Shushu hakini kisngi banwan on sa panlongbyang ya ka peace committee bat u kermen ba hakini kisngi kan sa don biang ka jingyekren ka basayso hadin balathaw ya ka sorkar bathamay ha asam.
We will not accept. We will not accept. Well, I'm very clear. Loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year, the controversial PC has been imposed only for Lapangap. This year we will not accept.
1 minute.
Am I right or wrong? Paidbah.
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here,
Yes, sir, yes.
and government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
This is DC West Gentia Hills along with the SP West Gentia Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapangap came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me myself and the representative from various student organizations as well as the headman of Lapangap. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress, and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
Nilang yang DC de benci untuk hadin ke tu ke kelas tapi lah siapa tu pi tu hadin wong biok de pi lipuk di rep kamu jole dawan bini sini dia le chong meeting wo deputy chief minister dang i woman le local MLA US Dhar hata ke office yang he jing em lang yang ki chief secretary yang SP DC kamu jole yang urus sarkar em dan liang yang government dak i ke assurance untuk wa dau bu pulit dikdik SF10 kampung di situ ke polis ku strong na benta wiedai pi ulai po lai rep pi cita jela pengap kenaliang yang sarkar le the igoi kata assurance kejing penting kena tok na dom step daw m double triple kejing bun yang dipulit ke wiedai pi lai rep yang pi hitai hala pengap kata to assurance naliang yang sarkar wi chong hita po office support secretariat naliang di sisar rangkar USP DKI kita assurance waktu wa Naduh mesti cenai ini yang pi gidong chong Lapangap daw yo pi kata kajing yada ko kerpang wat naliang yang NGO giwa represent gidong chong yang pi ko emlang ni time meeting bisnya waktu wa Naduh mesti kesini Naduh ni step le naliang SP na kanao to deploy gi depen penpol lagi yang kita polis UM style cepok Lapangap. Tente dah Paidbah. Kini man ngam ke jing puntip cepi man yu jai ni bak liang yang government ka kwak ko krek ni pentayong pi yu kita asuransi pi kenang yu yo pi urep kamu ju rep man snem
Step ni.
mesti tak jai dah. Dan liang government kita asuransi tak ndo mesti. Hejo ipor le apa ba? Ketu ka kini ke kam yang di polis ku empok cenong bi dan yang government le daragi yu kenriak ka le cenong bi cai tu cha non yang kesoka cepen thor ni ba le yu gi pi kate ka jingeda ko wa kerpang ni mentai mit wisngi dan yang government le yang government le daw implement kita pengkerekam gi kata kan curfew ganyan government daw pengkerekam gi kata kan curfew. Jadi jika night curfew to yung light kini gikarbi yung labin prai heli yang pi. Parpi dan di penar Lapangap ni tak pat miok yung ladi mix how pi. Kata sin jam becim yang government ni benta wow. Gajing ida ya pi kinong chong. Dan itu daw ini liang yung iligan jiu baik ba daw emlang rupi la daga sorka himle gamte daw cim de gwing pi.
Boy ka night curfew Lapangap kan insnem.
Le dia kelam gini.
Pertama me peta gidi. Boy ka night curfew kan insnem Lapangap.
Sekarang yang kita wajibkan SP sar, DC sar, nilai kumni. Nada gitu kecing bawa, kecing ni, pakai kecing pensyanya kalian jong SP dan DC. Nada kim orang ngin sewan sesepulsa ni. Biar. Ngin page wah, ya kayak bagi kular lagi. Wah, biar. Ngin page kayak bagi kular lagi nada kile, terkabiang. Nada kimle ngin sewan sesepulsa, ngot ani. Segi hajar ngut ani, nak bertapan kibin. Ya kayak kecing bawa kecing pi kinong rep. Biang. Kapa di pi, pangway, bapin ni dan buram nang ni wat pentot ya kayak kijing tong giwai. Ki Paidbah ki banyak yang tinang ni naga. Kepala sekretariat berpindah segi yang kisam jong pi. Bapin Naduh Lashai keski, pilih rep kumba saya rep. Biang. Maju perang. Kublai Sibon, lebih Paidbah telah di koran belum. Islam.